Hello guys! In this lesson, I will show you how to create your Drupal 8 instance. To begin with, you'll need an Apache server and depending on the database that you want to use, a server for that. Drupal is mostly used with MySQL, so MySQL server will be needed for this example. The most used Apache distribution for Windows is xampp. It's easy to work with and it's also the one that I recommend. So open your Chrome browser or your favorite browser and search for it. As you can see, I already have the browser opened. And I already have the page for xampp website. You can either search for it or just type what you see here. Now, depending on your environment, download the appropriate version. Windows, Linux, OS systems. Then run the installer. I already have it installed from our previous lesson with Drupal 7, so I want to show you the steps to install it. As you can see it here in C xampp folder. Open another window and go to drupal.org. This is the official Drupal site. Then in the main menu you should see a download and extend link. Click that. It will take you to the next page. Click the button, some other clicks and the installer is starting. In xampp folder in htdocs, let's create a new folder. I don't know, let's call it Drupal 8. There you go. And there you will paste the extracted archive. You can either extract it somewhere on your computer and then paste it into the newly created folder, or you can go inside it and extract it directly into that folder. Okay, Drupal 8 core structure is a little different than Drupal 7. Everything that belongs to core exists now in a core folder. When you want to update Drupal core, you just have to replace that folder. I suppose you already know not to change Drupal core files, and that's why replacing the whole core folder won't mess anything up inside your Drupal installation. Okay, is it ready? No, not yet. Let's wait for a few seconds more. Okay, we also have two new, well actually let's see first the core folder. Okay, you see everything here. Back it up a little. Okay, we have two new folders, modules and themes folder. Contrib modules and custom ones reside inside modules folder and themes inside the themes folder. You still have sites folder and it still works the way it did in Drupal 7. So you either use the folders from root or you create new ones here. It's up to you. Now let's add data into vhost and host file. I already have them opened in an editor, but I'll show you where to find them. Okay, and you just click it, right click it, open in the editor that you want. Okay, now copy paste our code from our Drupal 7 video and change the folder and site's name. Actually, you can either copy paste that one or their example and just uncomment it. Okay, let's change the names to Drupal 8. Okay, Drupal 8, Drupal 8. There you go, and save the file. Now let's add a record to the host file. Okay, drivers. There, and there it is. Same thing, right click and open in an editor. I'll just copy paste the already example there. Oops, enter. Save the file. Now, okay, now you should open your xampp control panel. and start or restart Apache server and MySQL server. If they are green, that means they are working. And we have to stop them. Well, actually, the MySQL server I don't think needs restarting, but never mind now. Okay, now we should create a database. So, click on admin next to the MySQL. You see the admin button there, right? Okay, click it. Oops, it's on my other screen. Let me just drag it. Come on. There you go. And let's create a new database. Click on the database there. Database name, well, Drupal 8. Great, done. And open your browser and type drupal8.dev. It's the same URL that you added here in your host file. And there you go, the Drupal installer. Set the language. For this example, I'll choose English. Click Save and Continue. Installation profile standard is the correct profile. Okay, you'll see here a small notice that your PHP OP code caching is not enabled. You can try to enable that or just continue anyway. So if you continue anyway, click the link in the bottom. Okay, now let's add the newly created database name. Our database username, in my case root. My user doesn't have a password, but for lives you should have strong passwords. Save and continue. As you can see in the browser, the window is refreshing. It might take a long time. Let's see. Oops, we have a little problem. No worries, it's easy to fix. The maximum execution time of 30 seconds was exceeded. Okay, open your xampp control panel. And next to on the Apache line, click config. Then php.ini. A file would pop up. Now let's search for something that starts with max. Click, and there it goes. Maximum execution time 30 seconds. Let's make it 300. Save the file. Close it, and let's restart Apache servers. Okay, now let's restart the page. Continue. And we're back in business. This is gonna take a while, so you can go make yourself a cup of coffee or whatever. If you also installed Drupal 7, then you should notice that Drupal 7 installation was faster. Now let's complete all of the required fields. Site name, Drupal 8, I don't know. You should add a real email address here. Admin. Well, for live you should add a really strong password here. And maybe a different username for the admin user. Those things you should check. Save and continue. And voila! Your first Drupal 8 instance. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please also check my other videos. Bye!